Hey guys, and welcome back. So we have this solar power bank that offers 26,800 milliamp. It is portable. It's a fast charging. You can charge 3 devices at once. So this is good for all your Android, Samsungs, iPhones, and also your tablets. Alright, so right here we have this solar charger. It is 5 voltage. It offers 26,800 milliamp hours. The item dimensions are 6.82 by 3.36 by 1.05 inches. So you do have some warning labels in the back. This is a 26,800 massive capacity solar power bank that is power enough to keep you going for days, which you could charge an iPhone 11 up to 8 times, a Samsung S20 up to 6 times. So first off, in the box you do get the charger. We have the user manual. This just basically tells you how to charge it, where to connect the charger in, the voltage, all the specifications, about the panels, and then your charging level lights, and how you can connect 3 devices. So we're just going to put the charger to the side, and inside here you do get a Type-C charging cable to charge your device if you're not outside using the solar power. So the charges 3 devices simultaneously using solar charger that has 2 USB-A's and a USB output, which is Type-C. It is compatible with most phones, any Androids or any iPhones, anything that uses a USB. This is a great option to have if you're out in a picnic or you're out hiking and you can't get to a wall charger. Here is the power button. It's nice and sleek, not too thin, but it's nice and rugged. So when you open up this top right here, you can see you have 2 charging USB ports. So the first one is the out 2. You got in 1, out 3. So if you have a Type-C to Type-C, you can use that in the middle button. So you can charge 3 devices simultaneously. So the charging the solar is a 5 volt 2.1 amp high speed USB-C in out port. You can carefully recharge your solar charger itself within 8 hours. So if you stick this outside in the sun, it will take 8 hours to completely fully charge, which is great. So if you're out hiking, this is an option. You don't need to have a plug with you. So here is the light indicator. When it is charging by solar, the top light right here will highlight yellow. And right now it is actually 3. I have not even charged this. I just took it out the box, and here's the solar panel itself. It's nice and rugged. So when the sun is hitting this, charging it, this little light at the top will turn yellow. It is a really nice charger. It is not heavy. It does hold a lot of power in it, so I've charged my OnePlus several times. I would definitely say check this one out. If you're looking for a rugged solar power bank, I would say check this one out. This is a good buy.